TalentLMS branches give you the power to create fully separate training spaces, perfect for different departments, learner types, or any unique training scenario. Think of them as mini platforms, all under your main account, tailored to each audience. Let's create a new branch right now. Log in as an administrator, go to Branches from your sidebar menu, and click Add Branch. Once you give it a name, TalentLMS will automatically generate a custom URL for your users to access this branch. Add a branch title and a short description to help search engines recognize your new training space. You can fully brand each branch by uploading a custom logo in Favicon, choosing a unique theme, and setting a default course image. This default image will represent courses in the branch if no specific image is set for them. Branches can also have unique languages, time zones, and announcements, separate from your main portal. Next, set the default user type for new branch members. You can even auto-enroll them into a group with courses ready to go. Just make sure the group's courses are assigned to the branch beforehand. Control how users sign up via the branch URL. You can restrict or allow registration based on email domains, and prevent users from logging in through the main portal so they access only their branch. Need terms of service? You can set that too. And if you're selling courses, branches support e-commerce settings at their own level. Choose your payment processor, like Stripe, and set up monthly or annual subscriptions. You can also enable credits letting users buy courses using virtual tokens. From the gamification section, pick the default badge to match your branch's tone. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save. Now, let's add users to our new branch. Click Add User and select the users you want to add to the branch. You can optionally assign a branch administrator to manage it independently. To add courses to a branch, head to the Courses tab and click Add Course. Here, you'll see a list of courses you can include in your branch. Once you do, they'll now appear in that branch's course catalog. Each branch can have its own custom homepage too, perfect for tailored branding. Go to Info and scroll to Custom Homepage. Add sections and customize the menu to fit your learner's needs. Ready to preview? Log out and use the branch URL to view the learner experience. Learners can use the course catalog to access the courses assigned to the branch, including the default group's courses. From their profile, learners can update their details or view their progress. With branches, TalentLMS gives you full control to personalize learning across audiences, all while keeping everything in one platform.